When action rises from wanting, it binds the heart to gain and loss. Pleasure and pain intertwine, leaving echoes that linger on. But when the grasping falls away and the will rests in something higher, movement flows without demand, like flame that leaves no trace of fire. I move without holding, I give without needing. No chain behind my footsteps, no hunger to be free. I act from the still center, where nothing asks to stay. Action beyond desire leaves no shadow in its way. No black or white in motion, no measure of reward, each step aligned with purpose, not bound by thought or word. When nothing seeks a return, the path becomes clear, no seed is left unplanted, no future drawing near. I move without holding, I give without need. No chain behind my footsteps, no hunger to be free.